I couldn't tell you how many times I've watched my favorite holiday movie, A Christmas Story. The classic film, among dozens released over the years, captures the essence of the holidays, family, and the spirit of giving. Holiday movies can bring out so many different emotions, and for many, it can bring families closer together.
You sit on a throne of lies.
It really works!
More than 80 holiday films have been made in the past 18 years. That includes the animated version of The Grinch and The Nutcracker in the Four Realms. Both of the films released this year brought in a whopping $190 million, which, while is a high number, doesn't even touch the amount that the highest grossing Christmas movie of all time, Home Alone, brought in. In fact, the most recent box office numbers show that compared to early 2000s films like Elf and How the Grinch Stole Christmas, newer films don't even come close. While many of the holiday movies that have come out in recent years have had the same positive messages, people like Scarlett Sabin enjoy the more classic movies because of the wholesome message it brings to children.
My favorite holiday movie is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It means so much to me personally as an adult. You really understand it teaches the value of teamwork and accepting people for their differences and realizing they can still be an important part of the project, whatever that project might be.
Scarlett isn't the only person who feels this way, as it seems like people tend to choose older movies because of the nostalgic feeling it brings back.
The movies I like is like Charlie Brown Christmas, Elf. Elf is really funny. Just things that bring the family together and so we can enjoy family time.
And if you're a big fan of holiday movies, there are several theaters across town, like the Fox Theater, that are showing different festive flicks. The Fox is showing 2 Colton classics with The Polar Express on December 10th and December 17th with It's a Wonderful Life. Regal Theaters is showing 4 holiday classics for $5 every Saturday until Christmas. And for $15, you can see all 4. At the end of the day, no matter what holiday movie you enjoy, the important part is about being with family.
The holidays, no, just getting together with family is always big for me, in the sense that, gatherings of just various brothers and sisters, siblings, parents, grandparents from out of town, that's always been very enjoyable.
With Thanksgiving being today, there's no better way to get into the holiday spirit than watching a few festive movies. You can also visit our Facebook page to vote for which one you think is the best.